Hello everybody, CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching as always. Before I begin, I just want to say I have a $25 Bitcoin giveaway going on. And you can find the details about that in the giveaway video. If you have any questions or comments or some additional information about this project, please let me know in the comment section. If you have a project you want me to look into to GPU mine, also please let me know. Appreciate it. And as always, please subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate that very much as I'm just getting the channel off the ground. So today I want to go over Handshake and how to GPU mine it. So what is Handshake? Decentralized Naming and Certificate Authority, an experimental peer-to-peer root naming system. I'm on their website here, handshake.org. I'll leave that in the description of the video. It's a rather long website and kind of gets technical, so I'm just going to try to keep this brief, do a brief overview so we can get right into mining and so I don't bore you to death. So here on the right side of the website we have some links, the source code, developers, technical info. You have the frequently asked questions here, community and documentation. The frequently asked questions are important. Again, it gets kind of lengthy, so I'm going to let you check that out when you get a chance. If you're interested in the project, you want to look a little bit more in depth on it, check it out. So about Handshake. Handshake is a decentralized permissionless naming protocol where every peer is validating and in charge of managing the root DNS naming zone with the goal of creating an alternative to existing certificate authorities and naming systems. So you can continue to read on that when you get a chance. I'm going to move on. Moving to the Handshake protocol. By running Handshake, one can participate in a decentralized open naming platform secured by a decentralized peer-to-peer network. And here's a link to the project design notes, a link to the documentation, again to GitHub. And there's some technical information here. Again, that you can look into. It's kind of lengthy for this brief overview, so I'm going to move on. Internet name transfers using coins to prevent Sybil attacks. So Handshake is a piece of software and a loose consensus on agreement of the software itself. This software's primary function is for people to come to agreement on names and cryptographic keys authorized to represent that names in a decentralized way. To do this in a decentralized way, we need to prevent a single party from claiming all the names. Therefore, a unit of account is needed to prevent that single party from claiming all the names. Handshake uses a coin system for name registration. The Handshake coin is the mechanism by which participants transfer, register, and update internet names. The community will be able to initiate auctions and place bids for top-level domains using HNS or trade their HNS as they see fit, with differing value per name. Therefore, Handshake allocates the majority of its initial coins towards the FOSS community with absolutely no obligation attached, as it is the community most relevant with decentralized software and tools. The goal of the initial design was to account for all possible stakeholders, and more information can be found at this link. Handshake's incentive design assumptions relies upon Metcalfe's law. While Bitcoin's value is derived from it being a costly store of value, Handshake's value is derived from its network of users. Metcalfe's law asserts that an increase in user base increases the value of the network exponentially. This means that allocation of value to potential developers and users of this system be a benefit to everyone with network effective derived benefiting all users. So I'm going to move on. I have some links here, Medium articles that will explain it a little bit better. This one is by F2 Pool, Mining Pool Launched. So F2 Pool, actually this article came out February 18th. Now you can mine Handshake with F2 Pool. $10.2 million decentralized domain name project, Handshake, supported by well-known investors, including Andreessen Horowitz, Sequoia Capital, and SV Angel. The article would introduce you to the project and give you some insights into what problems developers are trying to solve with their blockchain. It goes into what blockchain is again. It focuses on decentralized domain name registrations, authentication, and analysis. They have built a DNS compatible, decentralized, and license-free domain name protocol. It uses a token system for name registration. Participants can transfer, register, and update internet names using the Handshake project token HNS. You can initiate auctions and place bids for top-level domains using HNS or trade your HNS as you see fit. So they have their own exchange and their auction platform. It's called Namebase. I'll get to that in a minute. The project uses a proof-of-work consensus, Blake2B and SHA3 algorithm. It was created by a group of prominent practitioners in the crypto ecosystem. The project was initiated by Joseph Poon, founder of the Bitcoin Lightning Network, and Andrew Lee, CEO of Purse, Christopher Jeffrey, CTO of Purse. It gets a little bit technical. You can get into that when you get a chance. Here are the links. Again, website, Block Explorer, the exchange, which is Namebase, and that's where you're going to get your wallet. The supply is 1.36 billion, and the token metrics are located in the white paper. You can read about how that was divvied up. And if you do, let me know what you think about it. It's a little bit lengthy and it's a little bit too much for this brief overview I'm doing. So any information you have, please leave in the comment section. Block time 10 minutes. Block reward is 2,000 HNS. GPU cards, Blake2B, SHA3. And here's the mining pool address, port 6000. And here's a link to the mining guide, which I'll get a chance to. Interestingly, here it says overall, Handshake deserves attention. It's a well-funded project that has progressed smoothly. The founders have rich experiences in blockchain and entrepreneurship, as well as high technical capabilities. And they have a link to the mining revenue calculator there. Here is miner stat, which I have to give you an idea of the rewards. Looks like about $2.50 a day gross. And here's the link, or rather, I'll put the link in the description of the video. But here's where you want to get your wallet. It's on Namebase, namebase.io. Sign up. Here's my receiving address and available balance, locked up in auctions, 0. And this is their auction platform, as you can see. My open bids to auctions. My auctions here in reveal, and watch lists of watching auctions and the domains I have won in auction. So when you get a chance, if you're interested in mining it, sign up there, get your wallet address. And here's F2 pool. Again, the mining pool address, the port 6000. They have a little calculator here. And the algorithm is Blake2B plus SHA. Here's a tutorial here. Okay, moving on to simple mining. As you can see, I'm mining it right now. The miner you want to use is nbminer. And here's the algorithm here. Very simple, -A. You want to put the algorithm with this Handshake HNS. The HNS algorithm, -O. After that, put the mining pool address with the port, -U. After that, you put your wallet address. As you can see, nbminer. Scroll over and hit add group. You're going to go down to nbminer here. Click on it. Click on use. Put your command line here. And group name here is Handshake. I usually put the name of the project. Like I said before, you're going to use, or I use F2 pool, and the miner I'm using, nbminer. Let's go to rig rig list. And as you can see, I'm getting shares and the command line's working successfully. So let me know what you think of the project. Let me know what you think about those token metrics if you have a chance to look at the white paper. Have you heard of the project? What do you think of the project? Have you mined it? Are you going to mine it? Any information would be great. So again, please subscribe, like, and share. I hope this gets you up and running quickly. And until next time.